Hey Seattle Ladies Choir, it's Sophia, and I'm so excited for you to join me on Wednesday for a beatboxing workshop. There are a couple things that you might want to do in order to make sure your settings will accommodate some of what we do for beatboxing on Wednesday. Make sure you open your Zoom account, and here I have my main central Zoom, and in the upper right hand corner you will see your profile picture, and scroll down and go to check for updates. This will make sure that you have the most updated version of Zoom, and it'll give you some really cool new features in addition to making sure that you have the settings that you might need for Wednesday so that I can hear you. After you update your Zoom, go into Settings, and on the left-hand side you'll see Audio. Click on that audio button, and you will see as you scroll down, it says Music and Professional Audio. It might be unchecked at first. Make sure that you check that box. And it will allow you to turn on original sound from the microphone and toggle on and off. And this is needed because naturally Zoom suppresses sounds that are typically made for beatboxing purposes. That's all you need to do. Make sure that box is checked and make sure your Zoom is updated. I hope to see you on Wednesday and have a great rest of your week.